General knowledge quiz for kids. Which animal says moo? Cow. Which animal says meow? Cat. Which animal says oink? Pig. Which animal says woof woof? Dog. Which superhero can climb walls? Spider-Man. Who has a hammer and is very strong? Thor. Which cartoon has a talking dog and a boy solving mysteries? Scooby-Doo. Who is a famous yellow Pokemon? Pikachu. Which cartoon cat chases a mouse? Tom. Who is Peppa Pig's little brother? George. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob. Which animal is the fastest? Cheetah. Which animal can fly the highest? Eagle. Which animal can lift or push the most weight? Elephant. What color do you get if you mix red and yellow? Orange. Which shape has three sides? Triangle. Which color is not in the rainbow? Pink. Which planet do we live on? Earth. What do bees make? Honey. Which is the tallest tree in the world? Redwood. Which dinosaur had a long neck? Brachiosaurus. Which dinosaur ate meat? T-Rex. Which dinosaur had three horns on its face? Triceratops. How many fingers do we have? 10. How many wheels does a bicycle have? Two. Which vehicle flies in the sky? Airplane. Which vehicle runs on tracks? Train. Which vehicle floats on water? Boat. What do plants need to grow? Water. What makes a rainbow? Sunlight and rain. What is frozen water called? Ice. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Which animal has a trunk? Elephant. What do kangaroos carry in their pouch? Baby. Which animal can live both in water and on land? Frog. Which animal is black and white and loves bamboo? Panda. Which animal has a shell on its back? Turtle. Which vehicle travels in space? Rocket. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin. Which animal is the tallest? Giraffe. Which shape has four equal sides? Square. Which color is made by mixing red and blue? Purple. Which color is made by mixing blue and yellow? Green. Which shape has no corners? Circle. Which color is the sun usually? Yellow. Which shape has five sides? Pentagon. Which fruit is yellow and sour? Lemon. Which food comes from cows? Cheese. Which vegetable is orange? Carrot. Which fruit is the biggest? Watermelon. Subscribe for more educational videos like this.